Hi everyone, Rusty here at Blue Robotics. Today we're diving into pressure and depth sensors, what they do and which one's right for your application. At their core, these sensors measure the pressure of the water around them, and from that pressure you can calculate depth, whether you're 1 meter underwater or 1,000. We have two families of pressure sensors, the bar line and the bar XT line, both named after the unit of measure that they measure. Let's start with the bar series. These use the Measurement Specialties MS5837 sensors and are great for most general purpose underwater projects. There are two models. The Bar 02 is a low pressure, ultra high resolution sensor. It measures up to 2 bar, which is about 10 meters water depth, with a resolution of just 1/6 of a millimeter. It can even measure in air altitude with 13 centimeter resolution, making it great for shallow water or surface vehicles. The Bar 30 is a higher pressure version and can measure up to 30 bar or about 300 meters depth with 2 millimeter resolution. It's the sensor we use on the Blue ROV2, so it's perfect for vehicles and subsea instruments. Both of these use the M10 bulkhead penetrator form factor with an aluminum housing, making them easy to install in a watertight enclosure or other hardware. Now, there's one important limitation with both the Bar 02 and Bar 30 sensors. The gel-covered sensing element must be dried daily, so they're only really intended for short-term or intermittent submersion. That's where the Bar XT line comes in. The Bar XT line is built for continuous submersion and long-term use in harsh marine environments. These use sealed stainless steel Keller 4LD pressure sensors housed in a black oxide coated stainless steel bulkhead with a protective front cap. They're maintenance-free and can stay underwater indefinitely. We've got 4 pressure ranges available in the Bar XT line, each with a different resolution. The Bar 3 XT measures up to 3 bar, which is about 20 meters water depth with 0.9 millimeter resolution. The Bar 10 XT measures up to 10 bar, about 100 meters water depth with 3.1 millimeter resolution. The Bar 30 XT measures up to 30 bar, about 300 meters water depth with 9.4 millimeter resolution. And the Bar 100 XT measures up to, you guessed it, 100 bar, about 1,000 meters water depth with 31 millimeter resolution. Both the Bar and Bar XT sensors also measure temperature in addition to pressure. They communicate via I2C, run on 3.3 volt logic, but can handle up to 5.5 volts on the power input, and use JST-GH connectors that plug directly into flight controllers like the Navigator and Pixhawk. They're also fully ArduSub compatible. To help you get started, we've got Arduino and Python libraries for easy integration into your projects. So, to sum it up, the Bar 02 and Bar 30 are great for shallow to deep water use with ultra high resolution but require drying between uses, and the Bar XT sensors are built for long-term submersion in harsh marine environments with no daily maintenance. So, whether you're flying an ROV or deploying a deep water data logger for months at sea, we've got a pressure sensor for the job. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.